Hello. Cadence. Open them eyes.
Hey, Miss Popeye.
Open them eyes. One more time. There you are. She smiled on that one.
Mm-hmm.
Open them eyes.
And it's on video right now, so I got that and her little smile.
Open your eyes. Oh, come on. We want to see the smile. Oh, ho, ho. She's like, oh. See her face?
It's really hard right here.
She has bones in her head.
I know, but it's weird, because it's raised up here and then falls right here.
Because it's overlapping. Her brain isn't fully formed. That's how Lily's was, because she was born early.
Well, must be. It's on the same sense like that over here,
Yeah,
too.
just be careful. You don't want to put pressure on it.
I'm not.
Oh, you like that, huh? She just got this relaxing. You like that, huh? Falling asleep. You better know how to work a straw whenever you get out of here. Oh. She looks like she's trying to suck on it like a straw.
Yeah, open your peepers again.
Hello.
Yeah, I saw that. Like, okay, just flip them open and close them real quick. Like there you go.
Open them again. You need to stop pulling on that. Hello. Mommy doesn't like that. I'm sorry, but Mommy doesn't like that you pull on that. Hello. Hi. You just want to be left alone right now, huh? Yeah, I see it.